Come to standing in the center of your mat. Shoulders back and down, belly pulled into spine. Rotate your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. And forward. 1. Hollow concavity of the abdomen. 2, 3, 4. Shoulder shrugs up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push your shoulders away from the ears and tilt your head side to side without drooping your shoulders or without twisting your side. So you're not going to twist side to side or not pushing down all the way. Push as much as possible. Stay firm in your shoulders and your ribs. Belly pulled into spine. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Down and up. Now, even though I say deep inhalation and exhalation, the workout is a little faster today. So all your deep breathing will happen during your warm-up, okay? And then you do a regular breathing course and slowly release. Rotate your head once in one direction and once in the other. And release. Over to your right side, tilt down. 1, 2, abdomen pulled into spine. 3, I'm going to be mirror imaging you. 4, so push towards your right. Yeah. 5, as you hinge down, sometimes you may start to push your hip out. It's okay when it's warm up, but try to maintain that rib and hip distance equal, which means that even when you're stretching stretching your left side, your right side is not contracting or falling, okay? It's extending anyways. And change direction, change sides. Exhale down, inhale up. Belly pulled into spine. Think of extending your ribs all the way out rather than pushing or placing that hand down. Because when you push your hand down, you'll be pushing your hip out. Okay, so more of stability. And the second round is a lot more mobile. Hollow concavity, let's go. 1, 2, 3, belly pulled into spine. 4, 5, 6, 7, and change sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands on your hips. Open your legs a little wider. Release your hip side to side. As you release your hip side to side, allow your knees to be soft. Don't keep them like this, okay? Like a staccato. Keep it gentle and flowy. And then mobility drill. Okay, open up. Inhale, exhale. Well done. And change direction. Open your chest. And down. Well done. Release knee up. Gentle hollow concavity of the abdomen. It's completely all right to go side to side because we are doing more of a mobility hip opener. And open up to the side. Try to bring your knee as much as possible up to your shoulders maybe, or to your armpit, or up to your raised elbow. Okay? Breathe deeply. Well done. And into your hamstring curls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7. Now keep that hamstring curl going and stretch, flex up and down, flex your hands. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Then rotate your wrist. And rotate your wrist the other direction. Very good. Now, tap side to side, release your arms, swing your arms halfway. So even as you swing, you're not throwing your arms. You're going to control it and lift it as high as possible. Breathe deeply. Last 8, 7, very good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Hands on your hips, doing a flat back down and up. Keep your feet at shoulder distance apart, not hip, shoulder distance. Open your chest, forward exhale, inhale up, okay? Scoop your belly into spine. Go exhale, inhale. 2, hinge from your hip, hinge from your lower back. So instead of going down and up, think of hip back and stretch. Okay? 6, 7, 8, and then slowly bounce all the way down. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Breathe deeply. Take it to your right side. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. 6, 7. Take it to your left side. Left, 2. Abdomen pulled in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And center. Curl your spine to come up. Slowly, head coming up last. Very nice. Feet close together. Calf raises. Only 20. 1, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know the drill. We're not pushing through the knee or the hip. We're lifting up and down. Lifting the heel, placing it down. Your knee stays very stable. Hips stay very stable. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Take a breather. Very good. Your first cycle, your Tabata first cycle, you know the Tabata is 20 seconds work, 10 seconds break. You're going to do 1 to 8 exercises. Take a 30-second break. Move on to the second Tabata. We have 8 like this. Your first one is practice. So I'm not counting that as Tabata. But all of you know the movements now. Abdomen pulled in, hollow concavity, go down into inchworm. Come to the top of your mat, open up, and then slowly turn back, get back, and curl to come up. Okay? So your inchworm, don't push your entire hip down. The minute your hip goes down, your body weight becomes heavy on your arms and your shoulders. So as much as possible, imagine like as though a tiger or an animal crawling gently. You know how they're very, very slow. So adapt that technique. Then bend your knee to come back. Now, if you feel like coming back is a lot of load on your arms, you can bend your knees and gently come up slowly. Okay? So take your options. Virali, give me mat and this view, please. When you go down, mat and standing. 4, 3, 2, let's go. Exhale forward. Let me watch you. To the top of your mat, remember. And slowly up. Very good. So this you'll do only for 20 seconds. So in all effect, your warm-up or your practice session might be a little longer. Yeah, very good, Virali. Let's go. 2. Do about 4 of these for practice. Go, Neha. Well done. Abdomen pulled in. Tighten it up. Okay. 3. Come to standing and immediately go back. Don't think of speeding up and down, but don't pause. Come down again. Yeah. And 4. And take a break. Come to standing. Then you have your lunge kicks. Okay. From here, you're going to go lunge, kick, left lunge, kick. Okay. So keeping your feet parallel, hip distance, or if you're a little wider than hip distance is also okay, but never in a turnout, both toes pointing forward. Okay. Then from here, tucking pelvis, you will hinge, step back, down, kick, and place it down. Then left goes back, kick, place it down. When you want to you want to do probably not a lunge and a kick, you could do a lunge and stop, lunge and stop. All right. Second one could be a lunge, knee up, left lunge, knee up. Okay. That's your second option. Third option is to hold the lunge and go up and down. Okay. And up, then left lunge back and down and up, or just a simple knee up or a simple kick. Okay. So choose your options. Do whatever you want, because remember here it's cardio Tabata. Ideal would be a lunge kick, but it's not ideal anymore if your knee starts to hurt, right? So choose as many options. I've given you a whole set of options just so that you can take it easy. You can do what you choose. Between your lunges and kicks, choose. Okay, let's go. 4, 3, 2, inhale. Tap. 2. So this is your ideal one. 3. As you go back into a lunge, focus on the front knee moving or being stable, not rolling in. Let it feel stable. Let's go. 5. Nice, Priyanka. 6. 7. Nice, very nice, Neha. 8. Nice, Virali. Beautiful. Nice, Yasho. Take a break. Take a break. Third one is your jumping jacks. Very easy. So your jump jacks are here. Okay. These are your intense or impact jump jacks. You can do a alternate side to side. Remember, like we did for warm up. Your speed matters when you're taking lesser intense work. Okay. So, for example, in your jacks, you know that you don't want to do a very fast one. Okay. Because there's a lot happening. So then you go gently. When you're going, taking, say, a level lesser to protect your joint, you can think of speed. Okay. So, as many as possible. 4, 3, 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6. Excellent. 7, 8. Take a break. Okay. So that's your third one. Fourth one is your mountain. Take a break, Neha. From here, belly pulled in. Fourth one, mountain climber. So you're going to go up. You'll do this. Toe taps. Okay. Or mountain to plank. Mountain to plank. You can also do a knee to elbow, or you can go lift up, stay in your mountain, right hand to left ankle, left hand to right ankle. So 3 options. In the case that you feel like you don't want to do a mountain or a plank, or you don't want to do anything moving, because see, these are the first set, okay? As the set progresses, you may want to go a little lesser, or you may want to take it easier. You can do a plank hold or a mountain hold. All right, with that, let's see. Mountain plank, mountain climber, or hand to toe, opposite hand to toe in your mountain. Take your option. Very nice. Very nice. Well done. Neha, that's fine. Don't move with your hands. Yeah. And stay on the entire mat. Don't stay half out, half in. Keep your feet also on the mat. Yeah. Correct. Correct. And slowly take a breather. Very nice. Well done, guys. Fifth one is your jump squats or a side to side squat. Okay. So either we do a jump squat in. Your jump squats are basically moving out into a box and jumping back. So imagine you draw V on the floor. You jump out on the outside of the V, jump back to the tapering point. That's your jump jacks. What you can also do is a side to side squat. Here your feet are toned out. Okay. So you do a side to side squat, almost like a sumo squat. Okay. Or you can do a gentle V up. V. Remember, we used to do the V step. Okay. So this is another option. Let's see. 4, 3, 2, go. 1, 2 option. V step option. Keep it going. Okay. Choose which you want to go. Virali. When in doubt, march. Very nice, Yasho. Balance your body center. Very good. Keep going. Well done, Priyanka. Yasho, well done. Nice, Neha. Virali. And take a break. Take a break. Ha. All right. Next one is your elbow plank, moving back down. So see again, the placement is not just on standing or kneeling. It's standing on mat, lifting back up. So you're in your 10 seconds. You've got to hit that position, but don't stress. Elbow plank, hold and stay. Tap out. Legs tap out. Hold it if you need to, or lift up your legs up and down gently, or tap out. So 3 alternatives. One is hold the elbow plank, lift up your legs half up and down, alternately, or out and in. Back straight, scoop your glutes in. Let's go. Let me watch. 4, 3, 2, let's go. Stay on the complete mat, okay? If only your upper body is on the mat and your lower body is down, there's a possibility the mat slips. So watch out for that. Very nice, guys. And slowly come back up. Slowly come back, just the way you did. Very good, Priyanka. Slowly and steadily, well done. And then you have your curtsy lunges. Curtsy lunges, you know, right behind your left, lift up, left behind your right, lift up. So again, there is no music today. So you can take your pace. You don't have to match the intensity, or you don't have to match the speed of the music. So take your time. Open your chest. Avoid falling into a lunge. Lift up in a lunge. Lift. So even as your knee goes down, lift up and down. Then the other side, lift up and down. Okay. Hi, Shiny. Good morning. One slight warm up for the cardio. And let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. 2. Up. Very good. 3. Up. 4. Up. Well done. 5. This was a 7 cycle. Up. Last one. 8. Up. And take a breather. Okay. See, it won't go this much because it's 20 seconds only. So you may end up doing only about 6 if you're going slow, slightly faster. About 4 if you're really taking your time. Okay. So choose. Don't think of how many reps I need to pack in. It's totally okay. Work out for the entire 20 seconds. The last one is your twist lunges. Internal twist lunge. Now, when you lunge, it's one leg off, or you're sliding on the ball of the foot to lift up your heel. Okay. So if you're going to do this with your knee, so for example, if your foot is not rolling out, please stay on the ground. Okay. Don't step on the mat in this one. So you go 1. This is the last one. This is the 8th Tabata. Well done. Nice, Virali. Nice, Priyanka. Nice, Shiny. Well done, Neha. Yasho, well done. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and take a breather. All right. I'm going to do the first set. So, Shiny, you can watch the first to 6 exercises, and then we repeat the same thing over the next 7 cycles. Okay. All right. Your timer is going to begin. You may not hear the timer, so I will cue. Starting your Tabata workout. Get ready. 4, 3, inchworm forward and back. Exercise. And go. Let's go. Inchworm, walk to the top of your mat and slowly walk back. Remember, your option is to bend your knee. And 2, let me watch you. Very nice. And take a break. Take a break. Take a break. Relax. Relax. Round 2, take a break at this point. Okay, 10 seconds rest is very important. Lunge kick. Exercise. And go. 1 and kick. Left back and kick. Right back and kick. Remember, your options could just be a lunge hold, but change sides, right? Alternate it. Right, left, right, left. Take a break. Rest. Take a break. 10 seconds rest. In your rest phase, please rest. Okay, don't continue. Shiny, take a breather. Jumping jacks. Exercise. Either jump jacks or a side to side. Go easy on your body. Remember, it's a cardio. Cardio does not need to be impactful. So you either do a jumping jack or you do a side to side. Let's go. Shiny, continue, because your break time should not coincide. Rest. Take a break. 10 seconds, take a break. Next one, mountain climbers. Belly pull into spine, move down into your mountain and plank. Remember the options. Squeeze your buttocks, inhale, exhale. Inhale. Remember, the other option is right hand to left foot, left hand to right foot. Rest. And take a breather. Slowly come back up. Take a break, 10 seconds break. Jump squats or side to side squats. Let's go. Let's start. 2. Nice, Priyanka. 3. 4. I'm just doing the easier versions. you know what to do. Okay? Scoop your belly in. Your jump squats can be here, but you choose. Choose. Take a break. Elbow plank coming up. Rest here. 4, 3, 2, and move.
Exercise.
Into your elbow. Hold the plank. Either hold or do a lift up, alternate leg, or a tap out side to side. Just because it says cardio, it does not have to be fast. 4, 3, 2, come back up. Take a break. Then you have your curtsy lunges. Well done. From here, step down and up. Let's go. 1 and lift. 2 and up. 3 and up. 4 and up. 5, well done, up. Last one, 6 and up. Take a breather, 10 seconds rest. And then you know the next one is this. When I'm showing it to you, you can take your rest. And start now.
Exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4. Be kind to your joints, okay? 5. It is cardio because it's back to back with minimum rest time. You have a 30-second break coming up. Your first Tabata is over.
Rest.
Take a break. Well done. So now you have a 40-second break. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Relax. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Remember, cardio Tabata, you can do what you want. You can make it really fast, especially if you're already into athletics and you want to get that pump, you can. If you're looking to strengthen, you can go slow. All right, choose slower movements because it allows all the other muscles to wake up too. So it's not just going for thrust, or, especially in places like Tabata. Coming up after 5, round 2. Inchworm from the top. It's the same sequence.
Exercise.
Let's go. Exhale, inchworm to the top. It's a 20-second work, 10-second break. And 2. Go gentle. Let's go. Well done. When I give the countdown, it means it's already on, okay? And take a break. Take a break. Yashu, don't speed up so much, okay? Slow down. 4, 3, 2, lunges. And kick. 1, 2, be mindful of your positioning. 3, 4, take your 10 seconds rest. 5, 6, well done. Take a breather.
Yes.
Take a break. 10 seconds. Remember, it's a 20-second work, 10 seconds rest. So we don't really have the time to lift. Having said that, take your options. Jumping jacks or side to side. You either do a jack or do a side to side. Come on, time's up, time's on. Gentle out, don't stretch too much, okay? Just a tap out. Your idea is to include all your joints. 2, and take a breather.
Yes.
Take a breather. Mountain, your rest, stop. Mountain, plank, belly pulled in, and
Exercise.
go. So you can also do a mountain climber. Keep your abdomen pulled in. You can do a mountain and a plank, or you can do a mountain, right hand to left foot, left hand to right. Choose, okay? Take a break. Take a break. 10 seconds break. Lift up. And then you have your jump squats or a side to side squat. Come to standing.
Exercise.
Your exercise is designed for down and up. Okay? So you're able to functionally work all the muscles, which is why I'm insisting on no music and no speed. So you can take your time. Nice, Priyanka. Well done.
Rest.
Elbow plank. Going back down. Rest. Take a breather, yeah? And go back into the elbow plank. Hold. Now you know you can hold the plank. You can lift your legs up one at a time or do a side to side one at a time. Okay? Pull the belly into spine. 4, 3, 2, come to standing.
Rest.
Come to standing. Rest is to stand. So you're gently going to lift up and down. Take your time. Curtsy lunges. Curtsy lunges. Out,
Exercise.
up, sit down, up. So if you're really looking at a cardio, we can also do this. Okay? Okay, but you don't want to do that, at least in the first 4 sets. Very good, Virali. Nice, Priyanka. Excellent, Shiny.
Yes.
Beautiful, Neha. Take a break. Take a break. And the last one, lunges. This one, inward lunge, okay? Wait.
Exercise.
And now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your buttocks. Very good. Nice, Shiny. Yasho, very good. Nice arms, Yasho, very good. Take a break. 40 seconds break here.
Rest.
Take a break. 40 seconds break. Now, this is the time. Now you've done 2 rounds, okay? You kind of know what's coming next. 30 seconds break.
Recovery.
Well done, Neha. Take a stretch. Take a stretch. Your recovery is meant to be a recovery. Your 10 seconds break are meant to be a 10 seconds break because it kind of allows your muscles to pump in. You're not constantly jutting out with your joints, right? So you're not constantly doing an aerobic activity. We're doing a high-low where we are including muscles, okay? Belly pulled in, deep inhalation. 7, 6, start from inchworm crawl to the top. I'm watching you. 2, and let's go. Let's go.
Exercise.
1. Remember, when you're stepping down, push the entire palm on the floor, not only the fingertips, okay? Very good, Yasho. Excellent. Neha, stay on the complete mat. Pull the mat closer to the cupboard. Little more, and step on the mat. And take a break.
Rest.
Take a break. Your rest is rest. Lift up. Lunge back, kick forward or lunge back, knee up. Alternate. Let's go.
Exercise.
Let's go. Well done. Lunge it back. Excellent, Shiny. Very nice. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Your heart rate is going to rise, okay? Because we're constantly working, but we're also allowing the muscles to breathe. We're also allowing the speed to be minimum. And take a break. Jumping jacks coming up. Take a 10-second break. 10-second break. 10-second break. You're on 4, 3, 2, and now jumping jacks or side to side. Yeah. So I'm pre-queuing. Okay. So I'm going to tell you this in advance. Yeah. Well done, Virali. Virali, you can do this with your arms. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. You can do it. Yeah. Correct. And slowly relax. Take a break.
Rest.
Mountain climbers or mountain to plank or mountain hand to foot. Let's go. And begin.
Exercise.
Excellent. Shiny, well done. Very nice, Priyanka. 6, 5. Very nice. Excellent, Neha. 4, 3, 2, and come to standing. Rest. Jump squats or side to side squats. Very nice, Shiny. 2, 1, start.
Exercise.
Start. 20 seconds up. 1. Jump squats or side to side squats. Side to side squats. Yeah, correct. That's it, Shiny. Well done. Rotate your inner thighs out, Virali. Rotate your inner thighs out when you're sitting. Nice, Priyanka. Beautiful. Nice, Yasho.
Rest.
Take a break. Take a break. Next one coming up, elbow plank. 4, 3,
Exercise.
2, let's go. Walk to the top. Stay in your elbow. You might hold your elbow plank or you may do a tap up and down. This is third Tabata only, okay? Very good. Your hip in line with your armpit. Take a breather.
Yes.
Come up. Curtsy lunge. Curtsy lunge. This one. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Exercise.
Right behind your left. Left behind your right. Scoop your belly. Even if you max about 4 reps, 2 on the right, 2 on the left, that's enough. because we are doing 8, right? 8 sets. Well done. 3, 2, 1, take a break. So if I see you stop, that's also good, okay? So if you're taking your time, it's fine because we're slowly approaching the halfway mark. This one. And go.
Exercise.
Very good. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Very nice, Neha. Nice, Yasho. Beautiful, Shiny. Virali, very good. Excellent, Priyanka. Take a break. Well done. Moving on. This is the third Tabata over. Stretch your arms. Take a deep stretch. Inhale, exhale. Your recovery is a 30-second recovery where your heart rate is going to just fall a bit. Okay. You're breathing deeply. Release your hips. Release. And relax. Stretch. Tuck your pelvis. We have 4, 3, 2, 1 inchworm.
Exercise.
Start Tabata 4. Repeat the same set again. 1. Very nice. When you go into your inchworm, hold that plank solid, okay? Hold that glute strong. Very nice, Yasho. Hold that glute strong, almost like you were stepping onto a bench with your glutes, with your buttocks. And take a break. Nice, Yasho, there.
Rest.
Take a breather. Lunge kicks or lunge knee ups or just lunges or just kicks or just knee ups. And go. Very good, Shiny.
Exercise.
Please alternate, okay? Right and left. Very good, Neha. Nice spacing of your legs. Well done. So if you're facing me, I should be able to see both your legs exactly and clearly. That means the other one's not hiding behind the working is not hiding behind the stable one. Take a breather. Jumping jacks. Take a breather. Jumping jacks. I'm pre-queuing. You're on a break. 3, 2, 1. Start with your jacks.
Exercise.
Start with your jacks. Take your 10 seconds in, okay? Either jacks or side to side. Tap. See, your side to side is different from the lunge. The lunge is a different one altogether. This is your side to side tap, which you will do if you don't want to do the jacks. Correct. 3, 2, 1. Take a breather. 10 seconds break. 10 seconds break. What's coming up next? Mountain climbers or your mountain to plank. And let's go. Start.
Exercise.
Nice, Priyanka. Very good, Virali. Very nice. Well done, Neha. Neha, keep your hands slightly forward. Yeah. Squeeze it. Well done. Nice, Shiny. 2, 1. Take a breather.
Rest.
Come to standing. Either you jump squat or a side to side squat or a V step. And let's go.
Exercise.
So let's start. Exercise or just do a V step if you want to pack in a little more of cardio, because see your squats continuously, you may take a call on that. Sometimes you may want to not do so many squats at one time, right? So you can break it by doing a V step. Take a break.
Rest.
Well done. Well done. Take a breather. Elbow plank. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Exercise.
Move into your elbow plank or forearm plank. You may either hold it or lift your leg up and down, Yasho. Lift your leg up and down or side to side. Don't do a knee up there. Keep your hip in line with your armpit, in line with your knee. Only once you achieve that, you can lift up your legs, okay? Very good, Neha.
Rest.
Beautiful, Virali. Take a break. Take a break. Come to standing. Curtsy lunge. This is Tabata 4. We are halfway through. Well done. Curtsy lunge.
Exercise.
Exercise. Keep it up. Very nice, Shiny. You are doing a continuous work, but taking your time, thinking of how your body should feel when you're getting into a pose. 4, 3, 2, take a breather. 10-second
Rest.
break. Rest. Your next one is your twist. Inward lunge twist, okay? So you're doing this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1.
Exercise.
This is Tabata. This is the 8th cycle for the 4th Tabata. And you have 4 more sets pending. Belly pulled in, very nice. Don't tire yourself out. Continuous muscle work is also rest. Okay, take a breather, rest.
Rest.
Your continuous muscle work is also, in a way, a cardio workout. Okay, you may feel like your heart rate raising. It's totally okay. Please have a sip of water.
Recovery.
Don't gulp a lot of water together. Have just a sip. Okay, recovery for 30 seconds. Take a stretch, release. You can take your personal stretches depending on which side you want to stretch more. Sometimes we feel like we really want to stretch the legs. Sometimes we want to stretch the arms. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, get ready. Inchworm walk.
Exercise.
1, and back. Yeah, very good, Shiny. And squeeze up. 2, and come back up. Come to standing all the way. Come to standing. Stand up. Yeah. Even if you max just about 2 inchworms, that's enough. And take a
Rest.
break. Rest, rest, rest. Round 2. Lunge kicks
Exercise.
or just a lunge knee up. Start, okay? Start. Well done. Take your options. Take your options. Very good, Shiny. Take your options. Listen to your body. Very nice, Virali. And take a breather. Third one. Third round. Jumping jacks or side to sides. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Very nice, Shiny. And let's start.
Exercise.
Either do a side to side or a jack. I see that some of you started doing jacks in the first 4 and then moved into this one. That's a very good thing. Okay, so allow your body to settle down and pick up pace. Don't allow your body to cool down. That's all. Take a breather. Relax.
Rest.
Mountain climbers or mountain to plank, hand to foot. One of your 4, 3, 2, and let's go. Start.
Exercise.
Very nice, guys. 2. Remember to alternate right and left leg. Very nice, nice. Excellent, Yasho. Well done, Virali. You're on your arm, on your palms, scooping your belly in. And take a breather. Come to standing
Rest.
and gently breathe. Inhale, 10 seconds, 9 seconds rest. Jump squats, side to side squats, or a V step.
Exercise.
Let's go. Jump squats, side to side squats, or a V step. Tap V step. See, this also is a very safe one to do. You're keeping your body mobile while working and constantly keeping your heart rate up on. Okay? And take a breather. Very good. Elbow plank. Elbow plank. If your plank is just like a proper plank, then lift up your legs. Okay? Otherwise, choose to
Exercise.
hold the plank. Let's go hold it. Start. Well done, Shiny. Open your chest between your palms. Between your elbows. Yeah, well done. Belly pulled in. Allow your abdomen to travel up. Squeeze your buttocks. Take a break. Come to standing.
Rest.
Come to standing. Very nice, Yasho. Very good. Curtsy lunge. Back and up. Curtsy lunges. Remember, your curtsy lunge is a lunge and up. Let's start. 2 and up. You can also do a swing side. Swing side. If you don't want to do too many lunges or squats, remember, there's always an option. Nice, nice, Neha. Take a break.
Rest.
And just like that, we're done with Tabata 5. This one coming up. 4, 3, 2, take a breather.
Exercise.
You can also do a tilt side to side with a little speed, but not going down too deep. When your speed is high, your range of movement is lesser. Okay, remember that. 4, 3, 2, 1. 40 seconds
Yes.
break. Take a breather. Release, inhale, exhale. Rotate your wrist, hollow concavity. Breathe deeply, inhale, exhale. Hug your knee. Recovery for 30 seconds. If you want to recover on the mat, please do so. Your next inchworm doesn't have to be standing. You can start with the plank to move up, but your inchworm has to stand up and then go down, okay? Release. Release. Release your inner thigh. Keep your knees slightly soft and bent. 4, 3, 2. Take a breather. Well done. Prep for Tabata 6.
Exercise.
Let's go. Let's go. Inchworm. Let's go. Time begun. Excellent. Scoop your belly. Squeeze your glutes. Remember, even in your inchworm, you don't want your pelvis to fall. You want your pelvis to hold strong. Abdomen to hold strong. 3, 2, 1. Take a breather.
Rest.
Well done. Lunge kicks, lunge knee up, only lunges, only knee ups or only kicks. And go. So remember, you can also just do this if you don't want to lunge anymore. See? You can do this. You can do a side kick alternate. You can do a knee up. Alternately, you can just march in place and rest. Okay? Whatever. Now we are all over the hill. So we're going to go over 6, 7, 8. This is already your 6th one.
Rest.
Take a breather. Excellent. Jump jacks. Either jump jacks or side to sides. And go.
Exercise.
When you take alternatives that are easier on the legs, allow your arms and upper body to work more. Open your chest. A cardio does not have to be hard on the joints. Take a break. Take a break.
Rest.
4th one, mountain plank or mountain hand to foot or mountain climbers. Let's go.
Exercise.
Hands and feet both on the mat. Exercise. Very good, Virali. Take your option. In this one, I would say your timing of your rest is more important than your work because you're geared up, your mind is geared up to work. And take a break.
Rest.
Come to standing. Very good. Side to side squats or just a V walk. You can also do a V walk and go.
Exercise.
Jump squats, side to side. Very nice, Priyanka. Side to side tap. Or just a V walk. Very nice, Neha. Well done, Virali. Alternate it, okay? V step forward, back. Very good. First you lead with left, then you lead with right. Take a break. Well done.
Rest.
Well done. Elbow plank. Elbow plank. Hold that elbow plank solid. Then lift up your legs alternately and go.
Exercise.
Let's go. Hold that plank. Open your chest. And then lift up your legs up and down once you've got your abdomen pulled in. Try your show. 1, yeah, lift up. Straighten your knee. And take a break. Take a break. Very good, very good. So once you've got that
Yes.
stability, come to standing. Curtsy lunge, curtsy lunge. 4, 3, you're on rest phase. 2, and 1.
Exercise.
Curtsy lunge. Remember, your options are to swing through. So a lot of hip openers too, if you are going to do this slowly and mindfully, okay? Which is why I didn't play music. Very nice, Priyanka. Nice, Virali. Very nice. Take a breather. Nice, Neha. Excellent, Yasho, Shiny, fantastic. Take a breather. Last one, lunges. Lunge out. 2. Remember, you can also go halfway. Halfway. Your aim is to use your hip flexor. Let's go 1, 2. So if you can go slow or a slightly quick one with the inward lunge. Take your options. Hinge and bend that other knee. It's an inward lunge, okay? Yeah. So don't slide out.
Rest.
Don't allow your back to strain. Take a break. 40-second break. Release. You may hold on to a wall. Cross your right ankle across your left quadricep and tuck back, sit back and hold it. Sit and hold. Feel the stretch in the outside of your glutes. And then change sides. Change. Hinge and sit down. Tuck your pelvis and stretch. Very nice. And take a breather. Take it from the top. Take it from the top.
Exercise.
Let's go. Inchworm. Nice, Shiny. Inchworm. Your timer has begun. Well done, Neha. Neha, squeeze your shoulder blades this time, okay? Squeeze your shoulder. Come up, come up. And 3, 2, 1, take a break.
Rest.
It's a 20-second work. That's all. Take a break. Rest. Lunge kicks, lunge knee ups, or just your
Exercise.
lunges or just knee up. Let's go. Exercise, start. Very nice, guys. Well done, Shiny. Scooping your belly in, abdomen pulled into spine. Very nice, Virali. Virali, when you're doing the lunge, don't dip your hip. Keep your hip strong and lift. Doesn't matter how high your leg goes. Yeah. Correct.
Rest.
Take a breather. Well done. Third one. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks
Exercise.
or side to sides. Let's go. You either do a giant jack or side to side. If you're doing a side to side, focus on the upper body. Focus on swinging and stopping. Okay, because you don't want to go wild here. You want to go tight and strong. 3, 2, 1, take a breather. Very nice, Neha.
Rest.
Well done, Virali. Mountain climbers or mountain to plank or mountain hand to foot.
Exercise.
Remember, even a simple hold of your mountain is also fine. Okay, let's go, let's go. Take your choice. You are on Tabata 7. You just have one more Tabata after this. Personalize your workout based on how you feel. 3, 2, 1, take a breather.
Rest.
Jump squats, take a break. Okay, you're on rest phase. Side to side squats or a V step or a V walk. And go.
Exercise.
Exercise. Virali, don't lean on the wall, okay? Scoop your belly in. Hold your pelvis strong. Breathe. Alternate V walks. Very good. Well done. So remember, right lead, left lead. Excellent, Priyanka. Well done. Well done. Nice, Neha. Take a break.
Rest.
Elbow plank hold. So remember that it's designed to go up and down. It's very functional. You need to know how to do it, not at
Exercise.
very fast paces. Let's go. Start. Hold the elbow plank. Open your chest. Hip little low, Yasho. Little low. And leg absolutely straight when you're taking it. Take just small movements out and in. Small move, that's core. Take a break.
Rest.
Take a break. Rest. Curtsy lunge, come up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Exercise.
Let's go. Curtsy lunge. Well done. Yeah. Or the swing side. Swing side. Remember, you don't want to do a lunge, completely okay. You want to do only 2, that's fine too. You want to march the rest of the way, that's good too. Very good, Yasho. And take a breather.
Rest.
Lunge twist. Remember your lunge twist. The one that's inward lunging can't stay like this, okay? It has to go a little low. A little low. We're allowing the hip flexor to extend and contract, which it can't do like this, okay? Let's go. Exercise. Last one. And then you're heading for Tabata 8. Well done. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Bend that back knee gently. Don't look at how low you can go. Take a breather, relax. Very good. Well done. Relax, relax. Breathe deeply. Clasp your hands underneath your hamstring. Open your chest. Allow your leg to hang over your clasped hands. Feel the stretch in your shoulders. Feel the stretch in your chest. In the side of your arms, and change. Release your hands and change. Clasp and stretch. Hold it there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Release. Last and final round on your own. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inchworm.
Exercise.
Let's go. Inchworm. I'm going to cue. Well done. Even if you do only 2 inchworm walk and back, that's more than enough. As long as you've got all your muscles working in. The faster you go, the lesser you work. And take a breather.
Rest.
Lunge kicks or only knee ups or only kicks. Only knee ups is also a good choice to take. 4, 3, 2, let's go. Well done.
Exercise.
Well done. Open your chest. Lift up your knee. Don't let your hip dip. Keep your hips strong. Well done. If you're looking for how high my knee can go, it's not working your core, okay? Lift up. Sometimes we do this, okay? Don't do that. We're not
Yes.
doing MMA. Take a breather, relax. Excellent. Try, sorry. Belly pulled into spine, jumping jacks. Let's go. Jacks or side to sides. Jacks or side to side. Well done, Shiny. Choose, okay? You can also do a side to side with a swing of the arm and stretch. In stopping also, you're working a lot of muscles. And take a break. Mountain
Rest.
climber, rest phase, rest phase. Mountain climbers, mountain hand to foot or mountain to plank. And 3, 2, 1, hit it.
Exercise.
Last one, okay? This is the last Tabata. Scoop your belly into spine. A gentle rise of the heart rate is good. You don't want to lose breath, right? 4, 3, 2, come to standing.
Rest.
Jump squats coming up. You're on rest phase now. Jump squats, side to side squats or V walks. Alternate V walk. And let's go.
Exercise.
Let's go. Jump squats. Very good, Priyanka. Nice, Neha. Well done, Yasho. Beautiful, Shiny. Excellent, Virali. Breathe, inhale, exhale. Remember to hold your glutes tight, okay? Your glutes are super strong. And take a breather. Take a
Rest.
breather. Elbow plank. Hold that elbow strong, that plank strong. Then do a side to side. Don't go vigorously back and forth, okay? 4, 3, 2, let's start. Start. Hit that elbow plank. Pause and hold the elbow plank and just do a side to side tap. It's not a out in, okay? 10 seconds to go for this exercise. Take, no, Yasho, stay up. 4, 3, 2, curtsy lunge,
Rest.
curtsy lunge. Take a breather, yeah, and take a break. You just had 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, curtsy lunge, let's go.
Exercise.
Either a lunge, well done, or a swing side to side. Go easy on yourself, but make sure you work all your muscles, okay? Nice, Priyanka. Well done, Yasho. Very nice. Abdomen pulled into spine. Last and final one, side lunges. Remember to hinge and dip that knee. 4, 3, 2, and let's go. Last Tabata, last cycle of last Tabata. Well done. Scoop your belly in. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Remember what I told you about that lunge down, okay? Lift up that heel. Correct. Don't step out. Nice, Shiny. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a breather. Relax. Excellent, guys. Well done. Well done. That was it. All 8 Tabatas and 8 cycles. All done. Well done. So remember, the same workout an athlete can do, a beginner can do, as well as an intermediate, a person who's looking to improve their athleticism, right? But we're beginners. We're starting. So this entire thing, because you have so many variations and you can take your time, each time you take a breather, you can come back up and reset and realign. All right. So it's programmed in such a way that everybody can do it. Belly pulled into spine. I'm going to stop the Tabata.
Workout reset.
All right. Belly pulled in. Release your arms. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Heading for stretches and releases. Stretch your arms. Open your chest. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Change sides. Scoop your belly in, clasp your hands, lift up your chest, open your chest, squeeze your shoulder blades, and then straighten your arms as much as it can go. Don't start by stretching the elbows, it strains it. And release. Hands on your hips, release your hips side to side, release back. 2. See what I'm doing? I'm going side, back. 2, 3, 4. Both your feet are pointing forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to hold over to your right side. Take your left hand, hold your right ankle, stretch the left leg, open your chest, or you can place that hand on the floor and gently look to the right side of the room. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Feel that stretch in the inner thigh, neck and spine in one line. And slowly come down, stomach to standing. Change. Scoop your belly in, tuck, hold on to your ankle and balance, or keep that hand on the floor and stretch. I find that stretches that I work with partners, like your floor is a partner in this, it really helps you. Hold it. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale, and slowly come back to center. Open your chest. Don't look down yet. Into a deep flat back, neck and spine in one line. And slowly lift up, stretch your spine up and come to standing. Breathe deeply, stretch your leg, hold it. Quad stretches. Keep your knees closer, shoulders back and down, tuck your pelvis. Feel the stretch in your quads and release. If you have a chair or a back of a sofa or just a sofa, you can place that same leg up and stretch out into a hamstring stretch. Flex your foot. If you still have your shoes on, it's fine. If you don't, you can take it off as well, okay? Because you get a good stretch on the ankle. And release. Hold it, tuck your pelvis. So once you've got your knees closer, try and get your heel towards your buttocks and then gentle tuck. In your tuck, your knee should not go forward or your hip should not collapse. Lift up. And release. Stretch back, tuck your pelvis, hinge and stretch. Hold it. Remember to slide out and hold. If you can hold on to your foot, that's fine. Hold it here for 8. Open your chest. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release up. Take a breather. Come to sitting on your mat. Open your legs out. Belly pull into spine. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Stretch up. Lift up your chest. Imagine that we have planks or we have rods between our ribs and our hips. Okay, like rods on the side and they're just inserting into the ribs and you're lifting it up. So you can't go down onto it. You're going to hold it up. Scoop your belly. Inhale, exhale. And then push your knees out very gently as much as they can go without forcing it out. So you don't want to push the external force from inside. Stretch. Open, lift up your spine and then push your legs out. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. This could be a part of your routine even if we don't do it in class. There are times we don't do these exercises because you're doing other stuff, right? So this, your hip openers, your Baddha Konasana, these are the exercises that you should technically do even if you're just, probably just to warm up. Once you do a little bit of a warm up, it's a good idea to do this. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Open your chest between your arms. And then release your right leg out. Hinge, lift up your hips. Open your chest, scoop your belly in and hold it. Deep inhalation. Come to balancing and stretch out. Flex your foot as hard as you can. Go a little back. Yeah. Rotate your inner thighs out. Your right inner thigh rotating. I'm mirror imaging you. Open and then stretch forward and back. See, keeping your arms in, your back will curl when your arms go like that. So open through. It doesn't matter how low you go. If you're trying to go low and this is happening, that's a lot of spine work, okay? So watch out. This is a hip opener, half hip opener. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Lift up, stretch over through the rib and reach. Take your left arm over your left ear and look through your left armpit up to the part on the left side of the ceiling. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Stay there for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Take that left hand over your right leg and stretch. It feels like it's a long way to go. If that happens and your back starts to curl, start with holding your tibialis or your shins. Lift and stretch and then walk towards the ankle and then towards the foot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release up. Bring that leg in and stretch the left leg out. I'm mirror imaging you. Rotate your inner thighs out. Flex your foot. Belly pulled into spine. Open your chest. Lift your arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Well done. And stretch forward. 1, 2. As you go forward, don't allow your knee to roll in. Don't allow your knee to roll in. Okay? 4, 5. Scoop your belly into spine. And 6. And up. Hold it there. Tuck your pelvis. And reach out through your left hip and lift. Scoop your belly in. Gently take your right arm over your right ear. And look to the right side of the room through your right armpit. Flex your foot as hard as you can. Allow your ribs to open and stay for 8, 7, yeah, very nice. 6, 5, well done. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Swing in. Bring that left arm towards your, right arm towards your left foot and hold. Again, you may hold on first to your shins or to your calf muscle and then roll over towards your ankle and then towards your foot. Breathe. Inhale, breathe, exhale. Pull the abdomen into spine. Stay here for 8. Push the back of your knee into the floor. 7, 6, 5. Chest towards your knee. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale to come up and release. Exhale. Open both your legs out. Lift up and stretch. Scoop your belly into spine. Hold. Breathe deeply. I'm going to go back a bit. Open your chest out, pull the glutes out from under you, buttocks out from under you, lift up your spine, hold it. Now hold on to your ankle. Lift, inhale, exhale to stretch forward. Remember how low I go is not important, and up. Exhale, inhale. Exhale. I'm going to keep looking at the floor, and as I go down, my gaze is going to travel on the floor, not up, okay? And 4. Up. And 5. At the 6th count, you're going to hold. 6. Exhale. Don't go very deep, okay? Hands in front and reach forward. Now pull the belly into spine. Exhale to gently lower and stretch forward. Hold it, okay? Stay. Keep going forward. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Inhale. Virali, put your hands on the bed in front of you. And stretch your back. Very good. Well done. Yasho, lift up your chest. Yeah, not the head, chest. So even though you're looking here, if you're here, open your chest first and stretch. Yeah, very good. Walk forward, open your chest and stretch. Stay there for last 8. Shiny, excellent. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale to release. Exhale to relax. Well done. Come to lying down on your back. Breathe deeply. Inhale, exhale. Open your hips out, legs a little wider. Keep your hands clasped to the floor. Hold your head in your hands and stretch. Open your chest out. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Tilt your knees down. Knee drops. Keep your shoulder blades really relaxed and pressed into the floor or the mat. Keep your breathing strong. Exhale. 5 counts to exhale. 5 counts to inhale. Breathe deeply. At this point, if you want to do a gentle breathing through your nose, that's fine too. Last one. And relax. Place the left foot on the floor and rotate your right leg out. 1. This is just a very gentle release, okay, of your inner thigh. 2. Now, if your left side is completely ground to the floor, which means that will control how much my right leg has to work or move. So if I try to go very fast and very strong or very big, my left is going to shake a bit. So my left entire foot, my glutes, my shoulder blades have to be ground to the floor. And last one, 6. And the opposite direction. Open from outside, same leg and in. Now you can feel your back curling on the floor when you lift your leg up. That's okay. Curl your back. Push the back into the mat. There are times when your back needs to be neutrally held, and there are times when you need to curl your back. And 6. And then from here, place that right ankle across your left quadricep and release. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Neck and spine in one line. Hold your head in your hands and gently pull it out. Stretch. And then tuck and drop your right foot to the right side of the room. Look to the left side. Breathe deeply and curl to come back into spine, into center. Take your right foot to the left side of the room and look to the right side. This one, stay a bit longer. Tuck your pelvis. You'll feel the stretch in the glutes here. Open your chest. Don't pull too hard. Open. Abdomen pulled into spine. See, your alignments will kind of help you to increase your flexibility and stretches as a start. Okay. So when you're starting with your stretches, start from inside. So first is your alignment. It has to be clear. Like I want to really do a flexibility. I can really pull down and hold, but I know that I'm displacing my hip and my spine. Come back, curl in. Hug your left knee into the chest and stretch the right side of your glutes and your abductor muscle, your outer thigh. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Stay there for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back into center. Change. Now place the right foot on the floor. Space your hip equally, left leg up. Remember what we did? We can rotate. See, this is a ball and socket joint, so it can always rotate out and in. So when you take it out, rotate it out. 4, 3, 2. Open, inhale. Close, exhale. And 2. And in. 3. And in. 4. Scoop and in. 5. And in. Stable on your right side. 6. And in. Change direction. Open and squeeze. 2. Open your chest and squeeze. 3. And squeeze. Abdomen pulled into spine. 4. And squeeze. Belly pulled in deeper. 5. And squeeze. Last one. 6. And squeeze. Take a breather and cross the left ankle across your right quadricep. Belly pulled into spine. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. Breathe in. Drop the left knee to the left side of the room and look to the right and curl your spine gently. Curl in. Open. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Curl in. And now stay for a bit longer. Your left foot to the right side of the room. Align, scoop, tuck and hold. You can place your right hand on top of your left thigh, but don't pull it down, okay? Tuck your pelvis. You can offer a bit of resistance. It makes a difference when you're breathing. Inhale, exhale. Stay there for last. 8, 7, 6, 5. Tuck your pelvis. 4, 3, 2, and curl your spine to come up slowly. Hug your right knee into the chest and feel the stretch in the left side of your glutes and your outer thigh. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Open your chest. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Up into happy baby and stretch. Gently rock side to side. Flex your foot as hard as you can. And slowly release. Stretch your legs out. Open your hip flexors. Breathe, inhale. Exhale to push the navel into spine deeply. Open your arms out. Distance between your ribs and hips equal on both sides. Hold your head in your hands and gently pull it out. Gently. So you're extending your head, neck and spine in one line. You can keep your hands on the floor if you need to, or palms facing ceiling. Open your legs a little wider, just at about hip distance. Point and flex your feet. Point your feet and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Belly pulled in, try and getting the hollow concavity here. Lengthen your abdomen all the way from sternum to pubic bone. And then allow the navel to travel alone and scoop it in. Breathe deeply, neck and spine in one line. Well done. Hug your right knee into the chest and stretch. Scoop your belly into spine. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. And change sides. Left knee into the chest and stretch. Hollow concavity, point and flex. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. And slowly both your knees in. Turn over onto your knees, onto your tummy, into your prone position. Hands on under your chest. Inhale to lift up into a swan or a cobra. Breathe deeply. Rotate your inner elbows to the front of the room. Breathe, inhale. Breathe, exhale. Squeeze your buttocks. Stay there for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and gently release down. Bring your knees in. Hug your knees. I meant to hold your hands on your ankles and tuck your pelvis in. Gently tuck. Scoop it in. So it's the exact opposite of the hug. That's what I'm saying. Hollow concavity. Tuck in. Shoulders back and down. And slowly lift up into a wheel and hold. Keep your knees a little wide apart and stretch. Stay there for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. And down. One more time. Inhale up. Move into your child's pose and stretch. Onto your fours. Inhale to arch. Exhale to curl. Inhale to arch. Exhale to curl. Inhale to arch. Exhale to curl. And slowly come back up. Walk up. Curl your spine to come up. Slowly, head coming up last. And relax. Hold it. Stretch your arms and hold. Don't strain your elbows to straighten your arms. First, open your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades and stretch up. Then gently straighten. And relax. Flex your hands. Breathe deeply. And up. And down. Palms facing inward. And up, palms facing inward, and stretch. Change. And up. Down. Up. Relax. Tilt your head, gentle stretch in your neck. And change. And release. Open your legs a little wider. Release your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change direction. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And 4. Take a breather. Relax. Well done. Thank you very much. See you guys.